Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be all about how I whiten my teeth with this little kit right here. I have tried everything throughout the years. I've tried the Crest whitening strips. I mean, I just feel like I've tried everything, and I'll get into that later in the video. But I found this system, it works, and I wanted to share it with you guys. There's also going to be a giveaway at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to find out how I whiten my teeth, then just keep watching. Okay, so before I get started, I just wanted to give you a little bit of background about my teeth. Now, I generally have white teeth. I always feel like they can be whiter. So, you know, over the years, I've done many things to try to whiten my teeth. I tried the Crest whitening strips. They leave my mouth hurting so bad, like my teeth. I have very sensitive teeth, and I always am in pain afterwards. I'll use sensitive toothpaste to try to ease the pain, but I really don't like using them. And I don't really know. I mean, I feel like they kind of work, but I feel like it's not as effective as I would like it to be. So recently, I actually went to my dentist, and I want to say it was back in March. So I don't know, like what, 5 or 6 months ago, if I'm like thinking off the top of my head. And they gave me a discount, but I paid over $300. I think it's normally like $400. I think I paid like $350 to get my teeth whitened professionally. And I was like, oh my God, this is going to be great. They're going to be as white as I want them to be, and I'm not going to have to worry about whitening them like for a while, maybe just touching them up, whatever. And I was like wrong. It was a waste of money, and I have sensitive teeth. I was in pain for, I don't know, maybe like 3 to 4 days following when I got the procedure done. I had to take Tylenol before I went to bed, and my gums and my teeth were just very sore. I pretty much tried everything when it comes to teeth whitening, so I wanted to share this system with you guys because I've been using it for the last couple of weeks, and I'm honestly shocked, you guys. The system that I've been using the last couple of weeks is by Smile Brilliant. This is the box that it comes in, and they reached out to me and they wanted to know if I wanted to try the system, so I'm like, you know what? Yes, why not? I'm a coffee drinker. I probably should have mentioned that before. So I drink coffee every single day, 1 to 3 to 4 times a day. Like, I'm insane when it comes to coffee. And like, I do like to drink through straws, but I kind of don't like to drink through straws when it comes to drinking my coffee for 2 reasons. A, because plastic in your straws isn't really good for you. It's not, I don't know, it's not really good for you because the plastic heats up and the chemicals in the straw. So I kind of like stopped doing that, and I have a metal straw which I'll use, which is fine. But also, like, whenever I go to my med spa and I come in with coffee, the lady's like, you're gonna have wrinkles in your lips right here from doing this all the time. So that's the other reason why I kind of like don't do straws. So when I do straws, it kind of prevents the coffee from spreading onto my teeth. But anyways, like, you can just brush your teeth after that, but that's what I wanted to mention. So I'm a coffee drinker, so that's why I was like, you know what, I'll try this, kind of just touch up my teeth because I feel like they could be a little bit whiter since I had gotten the professional in-house treatment from like 6 months ago. So this is the box that the system comes in, and it does retail for, I want to say, around $150, but it's well worth it, you guys, because I will mention right now that this is going to last me a while because I can do touch-ups for like the next couple like years, I want to say. So that's why it's worth it, as opposed to paying like $400 to sit in your dentist's office for like 3 hours and then be in pain afterwards. Like, it's not fun. This is everything that comes in the box, and you guys, like, I love the customer service with this company, and everything is so straightforward on how to do everything. It's great. Like, it was so simple. It might seem overwhelming when you look at this. Like, when I first looked at this, I was like, this is really overwhelming, and I have to make molds. Like, I'm very overwhelmed. But the instructions were so simple, and it honestly didn't even take that long. So this system actually requires you to take molds of your teeth and then ship back those molds to their lab, and then they create these impressions for you, which is cool because you can reuse these forever. So I really do like that, and I feel like if you get this done, even if you had these made, I know when I got the in-house whitening at my dentist, I didn't get these molds. And I think you could get the molds, but they were even extra. So it's really cool that this is actually included in the price. So anyways, I just wanted to kind of quickly walk you through the process. This is the actual instructions that it comes with. So basically what you're gonna do, and I'm gonna try to like show you guys while I'm explaining this, is you're gonna get a top and a bottom of these, and it's gonna come with putty. There's 2 sets of putty. There's going to be a base putty, which is this right here, the blue one, and then there's going to be a catalyst paste, which is this one right here. I like also, instead of coming with just one set for the top and one set for the bottom. In case you mess up, they also include a third set, which is nice. So basically what you're gonna wanna do, and I'm trying not to like make a mess here, is you're gonna wanna mix these two together, and you're going to wanna just kind of shape them until it's all blue, and you're gonna put them into here. You're going to shape them and follow the instructions, put them into here. Once you have it in the mold, I believe it's like 3 or 4 minutes, you're going to bite down on the top and then you're gonna repeat on the bottom. And that's literally it. After you've created the molds for the top and the bottom, I think I had to let them sit for like a half hour after, but once you do that, you put them in this. They include an actual package for you to ship back your molds to with a label. I just don't have the label on this one, but I wanted to show you guys. So I put my molds in there, I shipped it back, and also too, I will mention, you just have to fill out this card. It's just got your information on it. So you fill out this card, you put that in with your molds, you ship it back, and then I want to say in about a week or so, a week to 2 weeks at most, you will get your impressions back, and they do send you emails letting you know like when they're making them and when they ship. So again, they're like really good about keeping you up to date. So I got these in the mail and they're super lightweight. I love them. And so I've actually whitened my teeth 4 times, but I'm just going to quickly walk you through the process of how I do it. It's nice because it comes up with a whole bunch of the teeth whitening gel and then the desensitizing gel. Now, first what you're gonna do, and I don't wanna open these up, but it's really simple. So, and they have the instructions as well. Again, everything's very straightforward. So you're gonna take the teeth whitening gel and you're just gonna honestly put the gel in the center of your impressions and put it in your mouth and repeat for the bottom. And one of these syringes like will last me, I still am on the same syringe, and I whitened my teeth like 4 times. So this is what I mean. Even though it's about $150, you're getting a great value because you can use this for touch-ups for like, I don't know, like a year or two, so, or even longer than that, depending on how frequently you need to whiten your teeth. So now it says like you can whiten them for 45 minutes to a couple of hours. Since I know I have sensitive teeth, I didn't really want to go over the 45-minute mark. So I did 45 minutes every single time. And once the 45 minutes was up, I took them off. I kind of just rinsed my mouth out a little. And it's nice because I don't think I've ever tried a whitening kit. And even when I got them professionally whitened, I never got like a desensitizing gel. So what you do, it's the same thing as if you were going to put the whitening gel on, is you take the syringe and you just put it in the center of the impression, and then you put it in for another, I think, 15 to 20 minutes, and this is going to help with the sensitivity. So you guys, like, I never tried not using this desensitizing gel, but I thought for sure, especially after I took off my impressions from the whitening before I put this gel on, I thought for sure that I was going to have sensitive teeth, and I honestly think this stuff really works. And I did it at nighttime. I think it says to actually whiten, it's preferred to whiten them at nighttime, and I did not have any sensitivity at night. The next morning I never had any sensitivity, so that's why I'm like super shocked, because I told you when I went and got them professionally whitened, they were so, like, it was painful. Like, I could sleep, but I had to take Tylenol, and like I couldn't eat hot or very cold foods. I didn't have any of that. Like, and the thing is, like, I didn't try not using the desensitizing gel on purpose because I know that my teeth are sensitive, but it's got to be this stuff. So I'm like really shocked. So that's why I wanted to share this with you guys, because I've shelled out like almost $400 to get them professionally whitened, and I have sensitive teeth. It was painful, and it was kind of like a waste of money, and I feel like this is, you're getting like way better of a bang for your buck with all this. Like, it's just like so much stuff. So I definitely wanted to share this with you guys. As I mentioned before, like, I already have pretty white teeth, but I am a coffee drinker, so this was more of a touch-up for me. But I will insert the before and after pictures so you guys can see the difference. Okay, so now for the giveaway. Smile Brilliant was kind enough to offer a giveaway. They're going to give away 1 kit to a lucky winner. So if you guys are interested in entering this giveaway, I will have all the information listed down below. But anyways, that is it for this video. Again, if you're interested in checking out this kit, I will have a link down below as well. I would highly recommend it. That is it for this video. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.